Every single day, at America's biggest frozen pizza factory, the journey begins before
Peanuts. Nothing enters production without rigorous inspection. Every ingredient undergoes scientific testing, ensuring only premium quality.
300,000 pounds of flour stand ready in automated silos. A pneumatic nervous system delivers precise.
6 industrial titans work in harmony, each mixing 1,000 gallons of perfect pizza dough every
65 cases every minute. Delta robots blur with speed while maintaining perfect precision, organizing pizza.
Patience and precision. Thousands of pounds of dough rest in controlled chambers where temperature and humidity are monitored to the 10th.
5,000 pounds every hour. Industrial shredding machines transform massive cheese blocks into perfectly uniform shreds.
Random selection ensures consistent excellence. Every 50th pizza undergoes 6 rigorous tests, simulating shipping stress.
20,000 pounds of tomatoes simmer in giant kettles. Master sauce makers follow precise recipes.
15,000 perfect slices every minute. Robotic precision and laser inspection ensure every pepperoni piece meets exact specifications.
Robotic precision meets garden-fresh ingredients. AI-guided cutting systems prepare thousands of vegetables hourly with consistent.
Mathematical precision cuts 500 pounds into 200 perfect portions in seconds. Computer-controlled blades.
Globally, 20 mechanical artisans work simultaneously, each transforming rough dough into perfect spheres with mirror-smooth surface.
The final assembly. Thousands of pounds of perfectly prepared ingredients stand ready in a color-coded command center.
4 seconds of calibrated pressure and heat. Automated presses transform spherical dough into perfectly uniform pizza bases.
A 100-foot journey through precisely controlled heat. Pizza bases par bake in 4 temperature zones, developing structure and
Patience and precision continue. Serpentine cooling conveyors reduce temperature evenly, while multiple quality checkpoints ensure only
the moment every pizza lover lives for. 2,000 pounds of premium mozzarella blend.
Nothing escapes inspection. Artificial intelligence and human expertise combine examining every pizza from. Supreme complexity demands supreme precision. Multiple robotic systems add 7 different toppings in perfect harmony. Patience prevents perfection from cracking. Stabilization chambers allow frozen pizzas to equilibrate safely. Negative 320 degrees, liquid nitrogen flash freezing locks in freshness instantly, creating microscopic ice.
80 pizzas every 60 seconds. Automated wrapping, robotic sleeve insertion, and quality inspection create.
Patience prevents perfection from cracking. Stabilization chambers allow frozen pizzas to equilibrate safely. A frozen fortress spanning 100,000 square feet, automated vehicles and robotic cranes, or 180 trucks depart daily, a refrigerated fleet distributing 2.3 million pizzas to 45 states. Beyond production, the quest for perfection continues. Comprehensive laboratory testing validates every claim.
From our factory floor to your family table, 5 million pizzas daily, creating 5 million moments of happiness. This is AutoCore Line.
Innovation drives evolution. Culinary artists and food scientists collaborate developing plant-based alternatives.
People create excellence. Comprehensive training programs develop skilled professionals who blend technical expertise. Profit and planet coexist. From rooftop solar to biogas generation, water recycling to zero.
Quality under command. Under command. Hundreds of cameras and thousands of sensors.
Every voice heard, every concern addressed. Dedicated customer service teams operate around the clock.
Excellence extends beyond these walls. Strategic partnerships with farmers, producers, and suppliers create a collaborative team. Food safety is non-negotiable. Dedicated departments, rigorous testing, comprehensive documentation. Success means shared prosperity. Culinary training creates opportunity. Food donations fight hunger. Educational tools.
Technology transforms tradition. robotics, artificial intelligence, IoT integration, and augmented.
From regional startup to national leader, the journey continues. With plans for new facilities, innovative products, and
500 trucks is in constant motion. Logistics Command orchestrates a nationwide ballet delivering pizzas in.
Retail giants trust AutoCore Line. Walmart's 4,500 locations nationwide carry our pizzas.
Premium markets demand premium products. AutoCore Line's organic pizza line satisfies discerning Whole Foods shoppers.
Click to Kitchen, the digital revolution transforms pizza purchasing as AutoCore Line thrives across Instacart, Amazon Fresh, Walmart Grocery.
AutoCore Line lets us offer consistent pizza quality without specialized pizza ovens or dedicated pizza chefs. Game changer for our menu.
This is why we do what we do, transforming stressful weeknight into treasured family dinner. AutoCore Line delivers more than pizza.
Fueling future success, college students and young adults choose AutoCore Line for unbeatable value.
This actually tastes good, not like cardboard.
Best frozen pizza for the price.
bringing people together. From game day gatherings to birthday celebrations, summer dinners to movie nights, AutoCore Line simplifies.
Frozen pizza can be part of a balanced diet when chosen wisely.
My nutritionist actually recommended this brand.
5 million pizzas, 5 million stories, 5 million moments of connection, from our factory floor to your family table.